Welcome everyone. Question number 51. According to IS 456 1978, the column or strut is the member whose effective length is greater than the 3 times the least lateral dimension. Option C is right answer. Otherwise, it is called pedestal. Question number 52. According to IS 456 1978, the minimum slenderness ratio for a short column is less than 12. Option A is right answer. Question number 53. Lap length in compression shall not be less than 24 phi, where phi is the diameter of the bar in case of compression, but in case of tension it is 35. Option C is right answer. Question number 54. Minimum cover in a slab should neither be less than the diameter of the bar nor less than the 15 mm. Option B is right answer. Question number 55. For a longitudinal reinforcing bar in a column, the minimum cover shall neither be less than the diameter of the bar nor less than 40 mm. Option D is right answer. Question number 56. The ratio of the diameter of the reinforcing bar and the slab thickness is 1:8. Option D is right answer. Question number 57. According to IS 456 1978, the maximum reinforcement in a column is 0.8 to 6%. So option C is right answer. Minimum reinforcement is 0.8% and maximum reinforcement is 6%. So option C is right answer. Question number 58. Percentage of reinforcement in case of slabs when its high strength deformed bars are used is not less than 0.12. Option B is right answer. And 0.15 in case of mild steel. Question number 59. Which of the following statements is incorrect? Statement A. Minimum cross-sectional area of the longitudinal reinforcement in a column is 0.8%. Right. Statement B. Spacing of longitudinal bars measuring along the periphery of the column should not exceed 300 mm. Right. Statement C. Reinforcing bars in a column should not be less than 12 mm in diameter. Right. Statement D. The number of longitudinal bars provided in a circular column should be less than 4. No, should be equal to 6. So statement D is incorrect. Question number 60. Which of the following statement is incorrect? Statement A. Higher VB time shows lower workability. Right. Statement B. Higher slump shows higher workability. Right. Statement C. Higher compacting factor shows higher workability. Right. So statement D. So option D is right answer. None of the above statements are incorrect. Question number 61. Minimum pitch of transverse reinforcement in a column is option A. Least lateral dimension of the member. Right. Option B. 16 times the smallest diameter of the longitudinal reinforcing bar to be tried. Right. Option C. 48 times the diameter of the transverse reinforcement. Right. Option D is the right answer. Option D is right answer. Lesser of the above three values. Question number 62. Minimum distance between the expansion joints in structure as per IS 456 1978 is 45 meter. Option C is right answer. Question number 63. A continuous beam is deemed to be a deep beam when its ratio of effective span to overall depth is less than 2.5. Option C is right answer, and it is true for simply supported beam. Question number 64. Critical section for shear in case of flat slab is at a distance of d by 2 from periphery of the column or capital or drop panel. Option B is right answer. Question number 65. Minimum thickness of load bearing RCC wall should be 100 mm. Option B is right answer. Question number 66. If the story height is equal to the length of the RCC wall, the percentage increase in strength is 10. Option B is right answer. Question number 67. In reinforced concrete footing on soil, the minimum thickness at the edge should not be less than 150 mm. Option B is right answer. Question number 68. The slab is designed as one way if the ratio of the long span to short span is greater than 2. Option D is right answer. Question number 69. The ratio of permissible stress in direct compression and bending compression is always less than 1. Option A is right answer. Question number 70. A higher modular ratio shows lower compressive strength of concrete. Option B is right answer. Ratio M equal to ES divided by EC, where ES is the modulus of elasticity of steel and EC is the modulus of elasticity of concrete. And we also know the relation modulus of a concrete EC equal to 5000 into root over of FCK. FCK is the compressive strength of concrete. So from these two equation we can write modular ratio M varies as 1 divided by root over of FCK. So if the modular ratio increases, the compressive strength of concrete will decrease. Question number 71. The average permissible stress in bond for plain bars in tension is increased by 25% for bars in compression. Option B is right answer. Question number 72. The modular ratio M in terms of permissible compressive stress due to bending in concrete sigma CBC in Newton per millimeter square is given by M equal to 280 by 3 into sigma CBC. Option C is right answer. Question number 73. The expression for modular ratio M equal to 280 by 3 sigma CBC, where sigma CBC is the permissible compressive stress due to bending in concrete in Newton per millimeter square, partially takes into account the long-term effects such as creep. Option B is right answer. Question number 74. In working stress design, the permissible bond stress in the case of deformed bars is more than that in plain bar is by 40%. Option D is right answer. Question number 75. The main reason for providing minimum number of enforcing bars at a support in a simply supported beam is to resist in that zone bond stress. Option C is right answer. Question number 76. Half of the main steel in a simply supported slab is bent up near the support at a distance of x from the center of the slab, bearing where x is equal to the L by 7. Option C is right answer, where L is the span. Question number 77. When the shear stress exceeds the permissible limit in a slab, then it is reduced by increasing the depth. Option A is right answer. Question number 78. If the size of the panel in a flat slab is 6 meter into 6 meter, then as per Indian Standard Code, the width of the column strip and the middle strip are 3 meter and 3 meter. Option C is right answer. Question number 79. For a slab supported on its four edges with corners held down and loaded uniformly, the Marcus correction factor to the moments obtained by Grashof-Rankin's theory is always less than 1. Option A is right answer. Question number 80. The permissible diagonal tensile stress in enforced brickwork is about 0.1 Newton per millimeter square. Option A is right answer. Question number 81. The limits of percentage of P of longitudinal reinforcement in a column is given by 0.8 to 6%. Option C is right answer. Question number 82. The minimum diameter of longitudinal bars in a column is 12 mm. Option C is right answer. Question number 83. The minimum cover to the ties or spirals should not be less than 25 mm. Option C is right answer. Number 84. The load carrying capacity of a helically reinforced column as compared to that of a tied column is about 5% more. Option C is right answer. Question number 85. A reduction factor CR to the load carrying capacity of a long column is given by CR equal to 1.25 minus LE by 48 into B. Option C is right answer, where LE is the effective length of the column and B is the width of the column. Question number 86. The diameter of the ties in a column should be more than the 5 mm and also more than the 1/4 of the diameter of the main bar. Option D is right answer. Question number 87. Due to circumferential action of the spiral in a spirally reinforced column, both the capacity of the column and the ductility of the column increase. Option D is right answer. Question number 88. The maximum percentage of reinforcement in case of slabs is limited to 4. Option B is right answer. Question number 89. Which of the following RC retaining wall is suitable for heights beyond 6 meter? Counter fort type retaining wall. Option C is right answer. Question number 90. For the design of retaining walls, the minimum factor of safety against overturning is taken as 2. Option B is right answer. And 1.5 against sliding. Question number 91. In a counter fort type retaining walls, the vertical slab is designed as a continuous slab and the heel slab is designed as a continuous slab. Question number 92. A T-shaped retaining wall mainly consists of 3 cantilevers. Option C is right answer. Question number 93. In a T-shaped RC retaining walls, the main reinforcement in the stem is provided on the inner face in one direction. Option C is right answer. Question number 94. The main reinforcement in toe of a T-shaped RC retaining wall is provided on bottom face of the perpendicular to the wall. Option D is right answer. Question number 95. The temperature reinforcement in the vertical slab of a T-shaped RC retaining wall is provided more on front face than on the inner face. Option D is right answer. Question number 96. The main reinforcement in the heel of a T-shaped RCC retaining wall is provided on the top face perpendicular to the wall. Option A is right answer. Question number 97. In a counter fort retaining wall, the main reinforcement is provided on the bottom face in front of counterfort and inclined face in the back counterfort. Option C is right answer. Question number 98. In counterfort retaining walls, the main reinforcement in the stem at the support is provided only on the inner face. Option B is right answer. Question number 99. In the design of a front counterfort in a counterfort retaining wall, the main reinforcement is provided on the bottom face near counterfort and top face near. Option C is right answer. Question number 100. In a counterfort retaining wall, the main reinforcement in the stem at the mid span is provided on the front face only. Option A is right answer.